Follow these steps when cleaning your Sota oven. Use only TurboChef approved cleaning chemicals. The use of any other cleaning products may damage critical oven components, resulting in a non-warranty service call. You will need TurboChef oven cleaner, TurboChef oven guard, K-Click-Sand sanitizer, nylon scrub pad, cleaning towel, disposable gloves, protective eyewear, and an optional dust mask. Warning: the oven operates at approximately 500 degrees Fahrenheit and may cause injury if not allowed to cool properly. Turn off the oven by pressing the on-off key. Slightly open the door. Cooling takes approximately 30 minutes. Do not clean the oven until the oven displays "Oven off, ready to clean." Next, remove the wire rack and lower jet plate. The wire rack and lower jet plate are connected and can be removed together. Push the wire rack towards the rear cavity and then lift up. Maneuver the bottom jet plate out from under the tabs on the rear cavity wall. Do not remove the top glass jet plate. Breakage will result in a non-warranty service call. Detach the wire rack from the jet plate and wash, rinse, sanitize, and dry each part. Next, clean the air filter. Remove the air filter from the back of the oven. Rinse the air filter with hot water. Allow the air filter to dry completely. Wipe the oven interior. Use a food vacuum or damp towel to remove large particles from the oven cavity. Next, clean the oven interior. Spray TurboChef oven cleaner onto the top, bottom, and sides of the oven interior. Allow oven cleaner to penetrate stains for 5 minutes. Clean the oven interior with a nylon scrub pad. Wipe down the oven interior with a clean, damp towel. Dry the oven interior with a clean towel. Caution: do not spray oven cleaner into the holes on the back oven wall. Doing so can damage critical oven components, resulting in a non-warranty service call. Do not attempt to scrub the upper jet plate. If food is stuck to the oven ceiling, gently remove it without applying pressure to the glass plate. Breakage will result in a non-warranty service call. Finally, do not remove the top glass jet plate. Breakage will result in a non-warranty service call. Reconnect the wire rack to the lower jet plate and reinstall both items. Next, apply TurboChef Oven Guard. Spray TurboChef Oven Guard onto a clean towel. Wipe the interior walls and the inside of the oven door. Do not spray Oven Guard into the cavity, especially around the holes on the back oven wall. Doing so can damage critical oven components, resulting in a non-warranty service call. Reinstall the filter or replace it with a new one if the mesh is deteriorated, has large openings, or has started to dislodge from the frame. Finally, clean the oven exterior. Wipe the oven exterior with a clean, damp towel. Remove the lower panel and remove large food particles. Wipe the panel with a clean, damp towel. Your oven is now ready to turn on.